Hello traders, and welcome back to another expert advisor review. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at the 100 egg EA, which is available for both MT4 and MT5. All right. So starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that the EA was developed by Choi Chi Kin. The current version is 1.6. And according to the listing, it was updated on January 11th, 2024. The current price is 540 US dollars, with the next listed price shown as $600. Now, looking through the product description, 100 Egg EA is presented as a fully automated trading system designed to identify extreme reversal situations. The developer states that multiple pattern recognition techniques have been integrated into the system, along with specially developed market filters intended to help protect capital. Now, the marketplace page also provides clear information about the intended trading instruments. The recommended symbols are AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and NZD CAD. And the recommended time frame is M15. All right. Now, the developer specifically mentions these pairs are targeted for correlation arbitrage opportunities. So it is important to keep those recommendations in mind when evaluating the EA. As we move into the features section, one thing that stands out is the support for both spread filtering and market news filtering. These filters are designed to help control trading conditions by limiting activity during situations that may not meet the EA's preferred criteria. The setup process also appears relatively straightforward. There's support for a multi-currency mode that allows the recommended symbols to be managed together, or alternatively, the EA can be attached to individual charts. The settings also include controls for initial trade direction, EA identification numbers, comments, and broker GMT offset configuration for applying filters correctly. Another useful detail provided by the developer is the recommended account setup. The listing mentions balances ranging from $300 for the crazy mode configuration, along with leverage recommendations and access to several live signal examples that showcase different operating modes. Now, let us move into the backtesting section. According to the marketplace information, backtesting should only be performed on the recommended M15 time frame, and the default settings can be used for testing. The developer also notes that different trading mode configurations can be tested by adjusting the relevant parameter. An important point mentioned in the documentation is that the specially developed market filter does not function during backtesting. Okay, so that is something worth keeping in mind when comparing historical testing performance to potential live trading behavior. The developer also states that backtest results covering several years have been provided using 99.9% data quality, along with variable spreads and latency simulations. Historical testing conducted over longer periods generally provides a broader perspective on how an EA reacts to changing market environments, although it is still valuable to perform your own independent testing as well. Now, let us start by looking through the provided information here. The crazy mode here is showing us from January 2019 to July 2022, 10,000 US dollars turned to 836,410 US dollars. Okay, this shows the 100 egg EA layout, and then here we have the backtest results for NZD crazy mode 2012 to 2022. Net profit 7,295 from an initial deposit of $300. And here we are seeing initial deposit $300, AUD crazy mode, net profit 3,954. And then AUD aggressive mode 2018 to 2022, net profit 11,922 from an initial deposit of $5,000. And then here NZD aggressive mode 2018 to 2022, net profit 11,424 with a $5,000 deposit. All right, let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA performed over the past 5 months plus. So we are testing the market egg EA, the 100 egg EA on AUD on the M15 time frame as recommended, and we are testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server. We're using the every tick modeling as well. Looking at the backtest results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 15,896.93. And the total trades taken, we are 38, out of which 27 we are short trades, 11 we are long trades, and 22 total we are profitable. And that profitable 22 trades yielded a 57.89% win rate. Okay, and we can see that the largest profit trade was 6,222.69, largest loss was 3,084.71, average profit 2,259.45, average loss 2,113.19. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is not far from 1:1. All right. So looking through the completed chart history, we can observe how the EA managed trades throughout the tested period. Since the exact entry and exit logic are not disclosed, I won't speculate on the specific decision-making process behind individual positions. Instead, the focus should be on observing the overall trade management behavior and how the EA responded to historical market movements across the recommended symbols. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right, so looking at the final historical backtest results, it is important to remember that these figures represent historical analysis only. Future performance can vary significantly based on risk settings, lot sizes, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Overall, the 100 egg EA offers support for both MT4 and MT5, focuses on AUD NZD, and NZD on the M15 time frame, and incorporates pattern recognition along with spread and news filtering features. As always, before considering any live deployment, I would recommend thoroughly testing the EA yourself and making sure its behavior aligns with your own risk tolerance and trading objectives. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.